Hello friends, welcome to Mushkil Ashan. This is Joita Shaha, and today we are going to discuss how to be at peace when your heart is into pieces. Yes, you've guessed it correctly. You've been in a long relationship and it was the best relationship, at least you thought so. And then suddenly your world crumbles and you're no longer in that relationship. And you just can't figure out what went wrong. But actually something did go wrong. That's why you're no longer in the relationship. But you generally can't let go of the past. So how do you overcome this when you are in a breakup? Often we have clients who come with symptoms which are like that of depression when they have undergone a breakup. Their appetite is low, they cannot sleep, they are crying, they cannot be consoled, they think it's the end of the world. But believe me, you are strong enough to accept this too. Yesterday only, over an online session, I was talking to this young girl whose boyfriend is not talking to her for the last 20 days. And she had been constantly messaging him, texting him, calling him up, but he's not picking up his calls. And she's feeling terrible. And in spite of others asking her not to do so, to give the guy some time, she knows it cognitively, but she cannot put it to practice. And then she decides that I'm no longer going to call him up. And I'm actually not going to die if I'm not in this relationship. So that is the moment when you actually realize that you're not going to die. But generally people think that they cannot live with that person. So what do you do when you're into a relationship and say you want a breakup? First and foremost, please do it personally. Until and unless the guy or the girl deserves to be dumped over a text message, I would always prefer that when you are going out of a relationship, give that person that much respect and do it personally. Don't do it publicly because then you create a lot of scene, and don't do it over a text message. That is showing that person that you are not important in my life. Just one text and you are out of my life. That is very rude. If you have the person who's dumping the person, don't try to be very polite and very nice. That makes the person feel worse. You say very nice things and very kind things, but at the same time you're dumping the person. That actually doesn't feel very good. So you say the reasons and move away. Give some time for closure. You should always give some time for closure. It should not something out of the blue. One fine morning you get up and decide, today I'm going to announce that I'm no longer going to be with that person. Give some hints beforehand if you think this is just not going to work. And if you've already communicated, both of you are aware that you are no longer there, and it's difficult for you to accept, the first and foremost thing you have to do is you have to let go. You just can't cling to the person, make unnecessary phone calls, impulsive text message, 40 voicemails. Don't do that. Let go. Learn to accept. There are stages of acceptance, and given some time, you will also learn to accept. And don't play that ping pong game over your brain where you think he or she was the best, and again you think no, he or she was the worst and the breakup is fine. Obviously he or she was not the best. If he or she was the best, you would have been together. And even if he and she were the best, maybe you both were not suited for each other. As friends, you might be the best friends ever, but as a couple, you were not compatible. Generally, after a breakup, people tend to idolize their partners, and they think that partner was the best and the person is the worst, and so he or she deserved this. Don't do that. Don't give negative self-statements to yourself that I don't deserve such a nice person. He was such a nice person. He was the best. Obviously, he was not. Or else you would have been together. And even if he was the best person, maybe he was not the best person for you. So stop idolizing that person. And a lot of people, when they are in relationships, they tend to ignore their family, their friends. The only identity they have is that of with their partner. But that is actually a piece of the pizza, not the entire pizza. So when that entity is gone, when the partner is gone from their life, they do not know what to do. The free time, the unending phone calls, video calls, the person doesn't know what to do with that time. The time they had spent together, all of it comes back, and now he or she is completely alone because they had not invested the time on others and nobody is there by their side now. So whenever even you're in the best of relationship, do not ignore your family and friends. Do stay in touch with them. That when you are going through a breakup, you have at least someone to talk to, someone who can listen to you. Often you can come out with it and nobody needs to give you any solution. You just need the time and you need to cry your heart out. So next time you are crooning the song "Nothing's Gonna Change My Love for You," do keep in mind it is possible that your love might change. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. If you are an old viewer and you like this video, please share it with others. Thank you for watching.